What's something people don't know about the history of rubber? Imagine a world without car tires as we know them. No smooth rides, no reliable transportation. A world without elastic bands to hold things together or waterproof boots to keep our feet dry. This was life before vulcanized rubber, a time when rubber was not as versatile or durable. Natural rubber, derived from the sap of rubber trees, was known to many ancient civilizations, but it had significant limitations. Rubber was mainly found in hot tropical regions where the climate was suitable for its cultivation. People used it to make waterproof items like raincoats and shoes, but these items had their own set of problems. However, natural rubber was sticky when warm, making it difficult to handle and use in hot weather. In the cold, it became brittle and cracked easily, rendering it almost useless in colder climates. The invention of vulcanization changed everything, making rubber more durable and versatile. Natural rubber's instability made it unreliable. It couldn't withstand extreme temperatures. This limited its uses. Inventors knew rubber had potential. They just needed to find a way to make it more durable. Many tried to improve rubber's properties. They mixed it with other materials. They experimented with different processes, but no one found a true solution. Then came Charles Goodyear. Charles Goodyear was an American inventor. He became fixated on making rubber more useful. Goodyear was determined to find a solution. He spent years experimenting in his kitchen. He faced financial ruin. He even ended up in debtor's prison. Still, Goodyear persisted. He believed in the potential of rubber. Section 4, A Fortunate Mishap. The discovery of vulcanization. In 1839, Goodyear's persistence paid off. By accident. Charles Goodyear had been experimenting with rubber for years, trying to make it more durable and less sticky. While working with rubber mixed with sulfur, he was determined to find a solution. One day he accidentally dropped a sample on a hot stove. To his surprise, the rubber didn't melt. Instead, it charred slightly but remained intact. It became tough and elastic, unlike anything he'd seen before. This accidental discovery was a breakthrough. It was the key to making rubber more useful and versatile. Goodyear had stumbled upon the process of vulcanization, which involved heating rubber with sulfur. He named it after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire, symbolizing the transformative power of heat. This process transformed the rubber industry, making rubber products more durable, elastic, and resistant to temperature changes. It paved the way for countless innovations and applications in various industries, from tires to waterproof clothing. Section 5, The Science of Stronger Rubber. Vulcanization involves heat and sulfur. These create cross-links between the rubber molecules. Imagine bridges connecting long chains. These bridges prevent the chains from sliding past each other. This cross-linking gives vulcanized rubber its strength and elasticity. It no longer becomes sticky when warm or brittle when cold. It can withstand wear and tear. Goodyear's discovery revolutionized how we use rubber. Section 6, Vulcanized Rubber, Shaping the Modern World. Vulcanized rubber quickly found its place in various industries. From manufacturing to everyday consumer goods, its impact was profound and far-reaching. Its durability and elasticity made it perfect for car tires. This innovation transformed transportation, allowing for safer and more reliable travel. Suddenly, vehicles could travel further and faster, revolutionizing the way people and goods moved across distances. But Goodyear's discovery impacted much more than just transportation. It opened up new possibilities in countless other fields. Think of all the things we use today that contain rubber, from the soles of our shoes to the hoses in our gardens. Shoes, hoses, seals, and even medical devices. The versatility of vulcanized rubber is truly remarkable. Vulcanized rubber is essential to our modern world. Its applications are endless, making it a cornerstone of modern industry and daily life. From the tires on our cars to the seals in our appliances, vulcanized rubber continues to shape the world we live in.